My dear smiles, my viewers, hope you're enjoying your holiday. Please stay safe and enjoy your holiday. Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe, click the notification button to know when I upload new videos, share my videos, and like the video. This morning, I'll be talking about how to stop snoring. This snoring it has really caused problems in some marriages, in some relationships, even in some compounds. You see a tenant, your co-tenant disturbing you every night when sleeping. So today I've come with a natural remedy on how to put an end to it. So in this remedy, you just need 3 things. The first one is lemon, the second one is carrot, and the third one is apple. Okay, so when you get these 3 fruits, just blend all of them together. Take at bedtime. And when you start taking this remedy, you stop taking alcohol, sleep well. When you want to sleep, you don't lie and face up. Lie and face the wall. Just lie by your side. It will help to reduce the snoring. Okay? When you do this, just do it continuously until you get your desired results. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.